Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I'm still swipe obsessed, but now I'm using Amsterdam Black with 10 drops of pre-stained wood conditioner from Minwax added into 2 mixed up ounces of paint. So I've got an 8 by 8 canvas by 2. And I'm just going to make one swipe out of the whole canvas. I'm still learning how much paint to put down. That's a Decor Americana 24 karat gold. That's a dioxazine purple with iridescent pearl fine from Golden in it. That is something that needs to have piece of schmutz moved out of it. That is my folk art neon purple that I personally added golden iridescent pearl fine to. I thought that was open. Still think it's open. I'm wrong. I'm just going to grab a different turquoise, and this is the Peacock from Decor Americana. Now it doesn't matter where you put your stripes, they're going to pull together, but if you leave too big of a gap in between, you may not get as much coverage as you want. That's one reason I pre-primed the background, because if I get little black things in the background, I'm kind of okay with that. I am going to take the top off this so I can use this turquoise and use my stainless steel tweezers that you can find on my Amazon link. And if you soak them for a little while, the water loosens up the paint, so it's never a problem to have a clean pair handy. Whoa, that was not called for. Did not want quite that much paint there. I guess there's still a little something lodged in the tip. So I've been thinking about copper and bronze. I'm very tempted to put a little bit of black in between. That's my Decor Americana 24 karat gold with a little bit of orange added to it. This is, I believe, a Modern Masters copper. I think I might want to end with a little bit of gold. Didn't put any silver in there, but I have some and I have been learning to use it, so maybe I'll just do that right here. And again down here. And hopefully, I just so want a double line of, yeah, I'm not gonna, doesn't need to be a lot, I just want a little, hopefully that will work out. You know what, I'm so addicted to this purple, I'm going to have a little bit more of that and get my bottles out of the way, because it's a habit. Okay, so I cut a nice swipe card, the same width as the canvas. And now, I'm going to put down, make sure I have no curve. Okay, if you have a curve, it wants to be down so that you can pull your paint. So I'm going to go in from the end and then go back and add a little row. I don't know how much of this I need. I'm still learning. It seems like the more the better. You get more and better cells. And I've got a clog. Of course I do. Well, here goes nothing. I'll let all that go down a little bit. Flip it over. Not getting that in place very well. The wider the sheet, the harder it is to make a swipe work. And try and use all that paint on that edge. Because I can, maybe. And do the same thing over here because I can, maybe. Actually, I think I'm going to take a little silicone hair tool that I have found really helpful lately. Whoops. Not my most adept moment. A lot more blues and purples than copper, but that's okay because that's what I like anyway. It's a simple concept right now. I didn't waste any paint. I'm really tempted to blow with a straw into that to see if I can release some more cells. I never did put any of my hot orchid in there. Let me see what happens. I like that. Been a long time since I blew and do a swipe. Do I want to do anything else to that? Kind of think maybe I do. This is the electric blue from Arteza. It's a metallic or a pearl. I kind of want to take my airbrush to that because I can. Actually, I'm going to take it to the side first. Oh, I'm not plugged in. Okay then. That makes it rather difficult to do. Let me find my plug. Somewhere here with the hairdryer plugged into it. It's not fully charged up, so it's a little bit less violent right now. Should be okay. Maybe one more blow down across the end. Am I happy? I am going to blow those down too. up. And then interfere with everything with the edge of my silicone. It's not a spatula, it's just a tool. I want that to go all the way up. Just makes me want orange. Well, I can have it if I want it. You gotta play. I gotta play. I was gonna drip it, but I think I'm just gonna pull it. I'll drip it after if I want to. I'm not sure I'm making this better. Really not sure. But I don't give up easily. I wish I'd stopped doing that. I really do. This is going to make me happy, I can tell. Or I'm going to get mud. One or the other. I'm not sure. I know chances are good it will turn into something that I like, in spite of the fact that I'm not feeling like that right now. Because that's the usual case. I couldn't just leave well enough alone, could I? I suspect it will survive and be cool. And I see that thing that needs to go. I'm a little confused about what's going on in here, why it turned muddy. So what am I going to do with that? I think I'm just going to add some more of what's down below. And confuse the eye. Real polka dots. Am I done? I guess not. You get to see me struggle once in a while, but not quite this thoroughly. But I am having fun, and I'm so glad you guys are here, and there's either 93,000 of you or almost 93,000 of you. I have all kinds of canvases primed and ready to go, but I just figured I would do something small and easy. Ah, that's so funny. There, it's cute. What can I say? Sometimes cute is good enough. I kind of like it. I should zoom in on it because there's some really pretty cells down here. And I could probably keep working on that. I managed to get rid of 17 minutes doing that. I've got a few minutes to tell you guys if you like what I do. Please give me a thumbs up. If you see something that you'd like to see transposed into an all-over print legging or all-over print t-shirt or added to Fine Art America or Pixels.com, let me know because I'll add things. This is cute. I like it. I should put little stems in, then it'd be gardened. But I don't think I need to right now. I wonder if I can zoom in any further. Nope, that's as far as I can zoom in. So, thank you guys for all the wonderful comments to keep my morale boosted, especially right now. And thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. If you want to be a contributor to the studio, you'll be automatically entered in the monthly drawing, and you can see the drawing prizes included on the exhibition video that's included on the end screen of every video in the last 20 seconds. There are almost always paintings, sometimes calendars and books, but it's worth a check. My Amazon link is below the link tree. The link tree is below the video. If you shop my Amazon link, you can find my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. And there's, if you shop my Amazon link, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out when you buy supplies there. If you buy anything on Amazon there, it helps me out. So look on the link tree for Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and more. They're all Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is good for students, and you'll often see tomorrow's video there posted in advance. You'll also see tomorrow's video posted on the community board. If you go to my YouTube channel, you'll find the community board there. On the link tree, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. My email address is below the link tree. If you have an interest in purchasing an artwork, please make note of the hashtag file number in the title of the video that you saw it in. If you're looking for my paint pouring recipe, please open Show More underneath the above the description. Yeah, there's a description under the video. If you open Show More, you'll find it. If you have questions, please ask. If you want to help me out and you can't contribute, it's always a big help when you comment. When you like, when you give me a thumbs up, it's helpful. When you share my videos, it's very helpful. When you watch them longer, it's extremely helpful. When you watch them when the notifications come out, if you're fast enough, there's no commercials. But after that, if you watch commercials, you also help me out. So, what can I tell you? Teespring Clothing below the video is another place to find the all-over print leggings and all-over print t-shirts. Actually, it's the only place to find them. So, let me know what you need, and I'll give you a link if you need one. There are 1,900 videos on 19 lists by the 100, and topic and genre are playlists, and you'll find playlists on my YouTube channel. All playlists, created playlists, and I'm going for 2,000. I've got 2,000 videos, but I'm posted 2 months ahead right now. So, thank you for everything. I love you dearly. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I almost forgot to tell you that. And I torched to release the bubbles caught in the paint. This is cute. I don't mind this. I love you guys. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.